guys, it's Elizabeth. Welcome back to my channel, to the vlog channel. And today I have a room tour of the Homewood Suites in Hamilton, Ontario, Canada. So welcome back. I'm actually in Canada under not so great circumstances, actually the worst circumstances. My uncle unexpectedly passed away from a heart attack, and that's not what this video is about, but we found ourselves coming back to Canada, and for those of you that know me know that I am Canadian, but I live in Florida, and these are not the circumstances I wanted to be coming back to Canada for, but because we're here, I've traveled with my parents and my sister, and my husband and kiddo stayed home for this one. And so I'm going to walk you through this hotel room and just show you it because it's gorgeous, and it's a great place to stay if you're coming to Hamilton, Ontario, Canada. There's only, I think, 6 hotels that are here, and so this is stunning, and we've got 2 bedrooms and a main living area, and I have got my coffee, and of course this is my first Tim's in Canada since I had Tim's in Williamsburg for Thanksgiving a few weeks ago. Yep, just as good as I remember. But let me walk you through this room and show you guys what it looks like. I'm coming, I'm videotaping the room. We've got a kitchen, Homewood Suites, little breakfast bar. We already picked up our Tim Hortons. Really pretty and modern. It's a little bit dark. This is all the lights that are on. I think it's a pull-out couch, and we've got a view of the city, a TV and some storage and a desk. And then my sister and I are sharing this room, 2 double beds or queen beds, I can't tell, and a TV, more storage. Gorgeous hotel. 1 block away from Tim Hortons, so if you're staying here, and I think this is only one of 6 hotels here. We haven't traveled to Hamilton in a long time. And a side note, this is where I was born. Pretty. And then I'm going to show you the master room. So it's like 2 different rooms that you can book, and then book this middle area together. King bed, mini fridge. It's beautiful, Mom. I won't get you in it. I'll take you out. And a bathroom. Very modern. Alright guys, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already to see more videos like this one, hopefully a little bit more cheery. And I try to keep things fun and light over here, but just also keeping it real and letting you guys know that I'm not just whisking away to Canada for 3 days in the middle of the week for no reason. So, alright, thanks guys for watching. I'll see you later. Bye.